a runaway on the tracks. 22 carriages rolling back without an engine. Boulders placed on the line shuddered it to a halt after 13 kilometers of terrifying journey. It was a narrow escape for its 1,000 passengers. But the incident has brought the inevitable question to the fore: why are our trains so unsafe? Is the lifeline of the nation hurtling headless? When India Today reached out for these answers, our investigation revealed a devastating reality. The last layer of defense is not where it's supposed to be. Yes, the men seen on your screen are the railway safety workers called trackmen. This is what they should have been doing: patrolling, protecting and repairing the tracks. But they are nowhere on the front line. Their crowbars, hammers and tongs are replaced by brooms, buckets, mops and kitchen knives. A scathing evidence. Our investigation has found out how senior railway officials have pulled the trackmen off the field to work as domestic help at the Sarkari bungalows. At the official residence of a railway engineer, Sailesh Kumar, at Bihar's Barauni Junction, safety workers can be seen cleaning up a government house. Manoj Kumar Sa is a trackman. He disclosed what all his bosses has assigned him to do.
ट्रैकमैन ही हो ना? हाँ, हम ट्रैकमैन। तो घर का काम करवाते हैं? कितने पूरे दिन घर पे रहते हैं?
हाँ, हम पूरे दिन घर पे ही रहते हैं। ड्यूटी भर। पूरा अंदर के काम मतलब रहता है कि तुम यहीं रहो, यहीं करो।
क्या क्या काम?
वही झाड़ू पोछा, एक आदमी है, एक आदमी खाना बनाना।
रेलवे की रात सही गई नहीं है?
Working at the home of a railway engineer, but on paper, Sa is marked present on track duty.
जब ड्यूटी वाले दिन है, तो वहाँ अटेंडेंस लगा के यहाँ आ गए?
नहीं, अटेंडेंस यही बनता है, यही सीट है।
अच्छा, सीट वहीं से उठा के यहीं ले आया?
हाँ।
बढ़िया है आप लोग।
Railway officials throwing safety to the winds, and this appears to be the rule rather than the exception. Pankaj Yadav is also a trackman, but he's seen building garden fences at the official residence of the senior section engineer.
तो ये जो बाउंड्री जो बनवा रहे हो, किसके लिए है?
चीफ साहब।
चीफ साहब क्या करेंगे इसमें?
इसमें लगाएंगे, क्या करेंगे? क्या लगाएंगे?
क्या लगाएंगे?
क्या लगाएंगे? कुछ खाने पीने वाला लगाएंगे।
VIP culture continues to thrive in Indian Railways. Remember, just last year, the new railway minister vowed to end all this menace. A blue-eyed boy of the Prime Minister himself, Ashwani Lohane, identified human resources as a top priority to work on. In a letter to the staff, he described employee welfare as a key concern.
Our focus has to be HR and HR. There has to be tremendous focus on HR. Our HR has to feel they are looked after, that they can look up to the management, their management, not always the top management. They can look up to the management, they can trust the management. They should have a feeling of being treated fairly always. Similarly, we should be trusting the entire staff below us.
But his missives seem to have fallen on deaf ears of the engineers working on the ground. In the northern zone, India Today found the scene equally awful. trackman Rajkumar sweeping the house complex of a section engineer.
हाँ, झाड़ू लगा दी, कबाड़ फेंक दिया उठा के, गाड़ी आई सामान वामान लेने में, सामान वामान दे दिया और दूध लाना, दूध लाना, भैया 2-4 बर्तन है भैया, वो भी साफ कर दें, धूप के बोले वाले.
Washing to doing dishes, Rajkumar is ordered to do everything other than keeping the track safe. It's no different at Modi Nagar in western Uttar Pradesh. Trackman Chandrasekhar is seen doing the same menial job at the house of railway engineer Rameshwar Singh.
सुबह झाड़ मतलब डेली लगाते हैं.
थोड़ा सा लगा के 10 मिनट के बाद यही है, कितना सा इतना करके बस
हम पूरा एकदम चिकना कर देते हैं.
बस 2 मिनट का काम तो है ही है.
The ugly phenomenon appears to be compromising safety of the passengers. Trackman Jeevan revealed how railway staff work in shifts at their Sahib's house. Ludhiana's assistant divisional engineer T.S. Sidhu.
क्या-क्या करना पड़ता है?
सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. साहब के पास आपको रोटी भी बनानी देनी है, उनको भी सब कुछ नहीं है तो कोई तो भाई साहब अकेले हैं तो सब कुछ करना पड़ जाता है, और नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ता, खाली भी बैठ के चले जाते हैं सारा दिन. ऐसी बात नहीं है. टाइम
पूरे दिन यही बैठे रहते हैं आप लोग?
नहीं, जब जैसे 2 घंटे 4 घंटे हम बैठ के, 2-4 घंटे ये बैठ के, 2-4 घंटे और कोई बैठ गया नाइट के लिए, और कोई जैसे टाइम लगे.
मतलब एक बंदा कोई चाहिए, 2-4 मतलब
हमें कंपलसरी होना चाहिए यहाँ पे
साहब के साथ.
हाँ.
A vast public enterprise in shambles, a deeply entrenched feudal culture putting innumerable lives on the line every single day. Muhammad Hizbullah for India Today's Special Investigation Team.
We have our managing editor Rahul Kawal who's with us live from our newsroom. Rahul, our investigation revealing the rot in the Indian Railways once again.
तो घर का काम करवाते हैं, कितने पूरे दिन घर पे रहते हैं?
हाँ, हम पूरे दिन घर पे ही रहते हैं. हाँ, ड्यूटी भर पूरा अंदर के काम मतलब रहता है कि तुम यहीं रहो, यहीं करो.
क्या
We're going to try and reconnect with Rahul. On your screens are railway workers caught on camera admitting that they are asked to help out in domestic duties of senior railway officials. This is a damning investigation. Operation Railway exposes the rot in the railways. Every time there's a rail accident, fingers are pointed. But the reason why there are so many loopholes in the system is because officials sitting on powerful positions are using the system for their own benefit. We can, I believe, now go across to Rahul Kawal. Rahul, you know, every time there's an accident, fingers are pointed, there's a blame game that goes on, but no one has done anything to check the rot in the system, which is now once again being exposed by India Today's Special Investigation Team.
Absolutely, Simi. When Ashwini Lohani had taken over as chairman of the Railway Board, at that time, he'd put out a very strong message to the entire rank and file of the railway saying that you have to deploy railway personnel only for the job for which they've been hired. If someone is a linesman, a singlesman, he's supposed to do that job. Instead, what this India Today investigation has found is that there are dozens of officials, employees of the Indian Railways who are employed at the residence of senior officials, who are doing very basic work at the homes of these officers instead of doing. Why are there so many accidents? Why aren't the railways able to stop it? In fact, we've seen on the back of this story a very strong response from some of the railway unions. This is one of the worst known secrets of the Indian Railways. Piyush Goyal and Lohani, when they came in, tried to send out a message that they'd be firm about it. The India Today Special Investigation clearly establishes that employees are still being deployed for purposes for which they weren't hired. And this is terribly, terribly unfair for all those who travel by the Indian Railways. Simi?
Right, and Rahul, you know, are we going to take this investigation to the government or the railway board and show them that these are the officials who've been caught on camera saying that they're actually being made to perform domestic chores at the residences of officials?
Yes. And you know what we've already heard from the railway board chairman is that action will be taken, and the railway minister's office also indicating that this will not be tolerated. All of this is a lot of empty rhetoric unless it translates into action on the ground. This is not something that's come out for the first time. It's been known that railway employees are used as domestic staff, virtually like servants at the homes of some of these senior railway officers. This ought to stop until the time you take strict action. You know, the investigation that we just put out is a starting point. You can fire all the officers who've got railway officials working in their house as staff. You know, start from there. Take some action. Send out a stern message. Unless you do that, you know, and you issue warnings, even if they are dire warnings, no matter how bellicose you are in the warning that you issue, it means nothing. After a month, it will revert back to the same situation. A strict message, I think, needs to be sent out both by Piyush Goyal and by the railway board chairman, Simi.
Absolutely, and Rahul, this is quite an irony. On the one hand, we're trying to introduce a system of bullet railways to ensure the fastest possible railway transfer possible in the world. We're trying to replicate that system here, and on the other hand, we have an existing system which is really rotting.
You're right, Simi. Rotting in the sense that not just does the railways have larger issues about the amount of money available for safety, for technical upgradation, this is something which is imminently preventable. Ensure that employees are used for the purpose for which they've been hired. If someone is supposed to be a linesman, let him do that job. If somebody is an engineer, let him do that job. You just heard in that story we aired, people who are hired to be linesmen or be signal staff say that they're literally doing jhadu pocha. They're working as labor, working as home staff for some of these officers. This is totally not okay. And if the railways actually had will and intent, this can be fixed. You can send out a stern message, and I'm saying this very clearly. You fire 4 or 5 officers, you know, terminate their services. A message will go out that this is not okay. It's when you issue warnings but do nothing on the ground that the situation reverts to what we've exposed in Operation Railways.
Rahul, thanks so much for that. We're going to keep coming back to you for more reactions on this big expose.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.